This is a real comment someone left on my YouTube channel. They asked how to move USDT from OKX to Binance, but they did something incredibly risky. They actually included their full seed phrase in the comment. Yes, all 12 words. Now, for those who might not know, that's like posting your bank PIN, your password, and your security questions, all in one message for the world to see. Let me explain why that is an extremely dangerous mistake, and then I'll walk you through exactly how to safely move your USDT from OKX to Binance without ever needing to share your seed phrase with anyone. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is a seed phrase? Also called a recovery phrase, it's a set of 12 or sometimes 24 random words that's used to generate your wallet's private keys. In simple terms, your seed phrase is your wallet. That's not an exaggeration. If anyone, and I mean anyone, gets access to your seed phrase, they can instantly access all of your funds anywhere in the world, from any device. They don't need your fingerprint. They don't need your email. They don't need your phone. They just take that phrase, import it into their own crypto wallet, and within seconds, everything you have is gone. That's why scammers and hackers are always on the hunt for people who slip up and share their seed phrases, even by mistake. Some even use bots that scan YouTube comments, social media posts, and forums, looking for leaked seed phrases. Once they find one, they move fast. No confirmation, no alerts, just gone. And here's the worst part. If your wallet gets drained, there's no customer support to call, no help desk, no reset button. Crypto is decentralized, which is powerful, but it also means you are your own bank. So protect that seed phrase like your life savings depend on it, because they do. Now, with that said, let's talk about how to safely move your USDT from OKX to Binance. You don't need your seed phrase to do this. Here's the correct and safe way. Step 1. Open your OKX app and log in securely. Step 2. Tap on Assets. Step 3. Choose Withdraw. Step 4. Select USDT as the currency you want to send. Step 5. Now choose your network. You'll see options like TRC20, ERC20, BEP20, and more. I recommend selecting TRC20. It's cheaper and faster than ERC20, with much lower transaction fees. Step 6. Open your Binance app. Go to Wallet, tap Deposit, select USDT. Now make sure you're using the same network, in this case TRC20. Step 7. Copy your Binance TRC20 wallet address. Step 8. Go back to OKX, paste that address into the withdrawal section, and enter the amount you want to send. Step 9. Double-check everything: the wallet address, the network, and the amount. Once you're confident, hit Confirm. You'll get a notification and your USDT should arrive in Binance within a few minutes. That's it. No seed phrase needed and no risk of losing your funds. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that lead to people losing money in crypto. Mistake number 1. Sending USDT to the wrong network. Let me be clear, if you send USDT on the TRC20 network to an ERC20 wallet address, or vice versa, your money could be permanently lost. Always double-check that the network matches on both platforms. Mistake number 2, using a fake app or phishing site. Always download OKX and Binance from the official website or a trusted app store, never from random links, pop-ups, or ads. Mistake number 3, asking for help online and sharing sensitive information with fake support agents. Scammers are everywhere. They'll pretend to be official reps and ask for your seed phrase under the disguise of helping you. And finally, mistake number 4, typing your seed phrase into random websites, dApps, or browser extensions that claim they need it to fix or recover your wallet. Don't fall for it. Your seed phrase should only be used once, when you're creating or restoring your own wallet. On a trusted app. On your own device. That's it. So, what if you already made a mistake? What if you shared your seed phrase? Maybe by accident, or maybe you thought you were talking to real support. Here's what you need to do. Immediately create a new wallet. You can use Trust Wallet, MetaMask, OKX, or any reputable provider. Write down your new seed phrase privately and don't share it with anyone. Then go back to your old wallet and transfer all your funds, everything, to the new wallet as fast as possible. If you're lucky and the scammers haven't accessed it yet, you might save your funds in time. But once that phrase is out there, that wallet is no longer safe. Retire it. Never use it again. Also, never trust anyone who claims they can recover your funds for a fee. That's almost always a second scam. To wrap this up, let me leave you with a few final rules to keep your crypto and your future safe. 1. Never share your seed phrase, ever. 2. Always double-check wallet addresses and networks before sending crypto. 3. Only use official apps and verified websites. 4. Use two-factor authentication on all your exchange accounts. 5. And most importantly, educate yourself. Crypto gives you control, freedom, and opportunity, but it also comes with responsibility. If this video helped you learn something valuable, please give it a like. Share it with a friend who's just getting into crypto, and subscribe to the channel for more real, honest crypto content. Stay smart, stay safe, and protect your bag.